Today, the Met Gala is where celebrities wear chandeliers, bird cages, and sometimes outfits nobody understands. But this iconic night, it actually started as a fundraiser dinner for New York's elite. The Met Gala began in 1948, created by fashion publicist Eleanor Lambert, the same woman who basically put American fashion on the global map. Back then, it wasn't called fashion's biggest night, it was more like rich people eating dinner for charity. The goal was simple: raise money for the newly formed Costume Institute at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Tickets in the early days cost around $50, and today, one ticket can reportedly cost around $75,000, and tables can go into hundreds of thousands. That's inflation and celebrity culture. Everything changed in 1995 when Anna Wintour took over, and honestly, she turned the Met Gala into the Olympics of fashion it is today. Suddenly, Hollywood stars replaced socialized, designers started sponsoring tables, themes became dramatic, and the red carpet became more important than the dinner itself. This is when the Met Gala evolved from a charity fundraiser to global cultural spectacle. Every year now revolves around the Costume Institute exhibition theme, meaning the outfits are supposed to be wearable art. Keywords supposed to be. Because sometimes celebrities understand the assignment and sometimes they arrive looking like they lost a bet. People joke about Met Gala, but it's actually one of the biggest fundraising nights in the fashion history. The event reportedly raised tens of millions of dollars every year for the Costume Institute. The 2026 Met Gala reportedly raised a record $42 million. Dollars. That money funds fashion exhibitions, preservation of historic garments, museum programs, and couture archives. So yes, someone wearing a giant feather sculpture is technically helping fashion industry survive. Today, Met Gala represents three things: fashion, fame, internet domination. Celebrities don't just attend the Met Gala anymore, they compete for viral immortality. And over the years, India's presence at the Met Gala has become impossible to ignore. We've seen appearances from Priyanka Chopra, Deepika Padukone, Alia Bhatt, Natasha Poonawalla, Isha Ambani, and Diljit Dosanjh. In 2026, Indian representation became even bigger with names like Karan Johar, Manish Malhotra, Ananya Birla, Sudha Reddy, Natasha Poonawalla, and Isha Ambani. India is no longer just attending the Met Gala, it's becoming part of the global fashion conversation. So the next time someone says, why are celebrities dressed like curtains, just remember the Met Gala started as a tiny museum fundraiser and became the most powerful red carpet in the world, where fashion, fame, art, money, and chaos all meet on one stick.